How to find square root of 2304 by division method, that is long division method. First we need to make pair from one place side. This is, that is from right side to left side. So this is first pair, this is second pair. Now we have to consider the first pair, that is this pair. This is 23. We need to consider here a perfect square number which is equal to 23 or less than 23. 1 squared equal to 1, 2 squared equal to 4, 3 squared equal to 9, 4 squared equal to 16, and 5 squared equal to 25. 1, 4, 9, 6, 16, 25. These are perfect square number. So here 25 is greater than 23. So we have to consider this 16. If you take here 16, then this number will be our divisor 4. 4 goes into 23 how many times? 4 times. 4 times 4, 16. Okay, now subtract. If you subtract, then you are getting what? 7. Okay, 7. Bring down the next pair. So you have placed here 4, so same number will be added here. So you are getting here 8. Okay, now you have to place here a number. This number must come here, and if you place here a number, then you need to multiply this number by this digit you are placing. Okay, so look, if I place here 7, so you need to multiply this number by the placed digit 7. 7 times 7, 49. Bring down 9, carry 4 to the next column. 7 times 8, 56. 56 plus 4, which is what? 0, 1. That is 10. Bring down 0, carry 1 to the next column. 5 plus 1, 60. 609, which is less than 704. So increase 1 more, 8, and multiply by 8. So 8 times 8, 64. Bring down 4, carry 6 to the next column. 8 times 8, 64, plus 6, 70, which is equal to 704. So our perfect number is here is 8. Okay, 8. If you place here 8, then you also need to place here 8. 8 times 88, 88 times 8, which is 704. Subtract, you are getting. As you are getting 0, you are done. But to check, what will you do? You can add here the same number 8. Then you are getting 8 plus 8, 16. Bring down 6, carry 1. So 8 plus 1, 96. Okay, this square root will be double of this number. 48 plus 48, that should be this. Look here, 8 plus 8, 16. Then 4 plus 4, 8, 96. Okay, so as we have checked, we are done. So our square root of 2304 is 48. I think you have understood.